welcome back to the channel. We're here starting on job number 1 on the Mondeo Gear X. Starting with the first job that annoys the hell out of me, and that is the glove box is broken, which I believe is a common fault with the Ford Mondeo of this year, 2006. It just won't open. If you want a sort of a top tip, rather than sort of trying to force it open with a screwdriver and ruin your dashboard, get yourself a coat hanger. There we go. And have a route round for the latch, which I believe is to the left of the handle.
A few moments later.
It's a bit hit and miss, but you just have to.
6.5 hours later.
He's here somewhere, he says. There we go. So the common problem is the mechanism in here snaps, and I need to order a new one. Now I've removed the mechanism, you can see how the lever no longer brings the latch down. The springs actually snapped. So it's definitely a new part required, which I shall order, and I'll probably get it from eBay.
Much later.
So the new part has arrived, and it looks pretty much identical to the old one. Pretty much. And it works. See the mechanism moving. So will it fit? Hey, seems to fit. Moment of truth. Hey! God, that annoyed the hell out of me. Excellent. So that's how to fix a glove box latch on a Mark 3 Ford Mondeo. So don't try and force it open. Use a coat hanger and then order your part off eBay. And it was dirt cheap. It was only like £12.50 something. So hope you liked the video, hope it helped to any Mondeo owners, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Take care now, bye bye.